How to gradually increase or decrease your volume in Adobe Premiere Pro. So in Premiere Pro, let's go ahead and click what looks like a wrench. And what we want to do is make sure that it has show audio keyframes checked. Okay, it does. So what we then want to do is come to this bar on the side and adjust it and make sure we see this line in the middle of our audio. So then what we'll do is we'll click our pen tool and we can go ahead and click with it to mark a keyframe, and then over to the right we can mark another keyframe. And then what we can do is like click again, making another keyframe, but we can pull this down, and that's gonna gradually decrease the volume and then increase it. So that should give you a beautifully gradual increase and decrease in volume. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, check out these links to some of my other videos. Take care, everybody.